The function fx is equal to fx minus 1 plus fx plus 1 for all values of x. If fx is 1 if f1 is 1 and f2 is 3, what is the value of f2014? Since fx is equal to fx minus 1 plus fx plus 1, we have fx plus 1 is equal to fx minus fx minus 1. That is, if you know the values of the function for two consecutive values of x, that is fx and fx minus 1, then we can find the values of the function for all successive values of x by using this formula recursively. Since for two values of x, that is for x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2, the values of fx are given, it is theoretically possible to find f2014 also. However, our job will be much simpler if we can find a pattern as x is increased. So let's try. It is already given that f1 is equal to 1 and f2 is equal to 3. And using the formula, we get f3 is equal to f2 minus f1, that is 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. f4 is equal to f3 minus f2, that is 2 minus 3, that is equal to minus 1. f5 is equal to f4 minus f3, that is equal to minus 1 minus 2, and that is equal to minus 3. f6 is equal to f5 minus f4, which is equal to minus 3 minus of minus 1, that is equal to minus 3 plus 1, which is equal to minus 2. f7 is equal to f6 minus f5, that is minus 2 minus of minus 3, that is equal to minus 2 plus 3, minus 2 plus 3, yes, and that is equal to 1. Note here that the value of f7 is 1 and the value of f1 is also 1. Before going any further, please like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell so you can be immediately notified for new uploads. It's completely free and only takes a few seconds, and you can always unsubscribe later if you want to. Also, if you know about any interesting problem that you would like me to solve, please upload it in your comments. Without further ado, let's proceed with the rest of the video. Again, we have seen that f7 has the same value as f1, that is 1. Therefore, f8 will be the same as f2, f9 will be the same as f3, and so on and so forth. That is, the pattern repeats after every 6 increments in the value of x. Now, 2014 by 6 is equal to 335 with a remainder of 4. Hence, the pattern will start repeating again after 335 multiplied by 6 plus 1. That is 210 plus 1, which is equal to 211. Therefore, f2011 is equal to f1, which is 1. f2012 will be equal to f2, which is 3. f2013 will be f3, which is 2. And finally, F2014 is equal to F4, that is equal to minus 1. Hence, F2014 is equal to minus 1, that is the answer. Thank you.